let's hear your experience one by one. Anisha,
Yes, sir.
yes, Anisha, what happened in your breakout room? Two
Uh,
rounds,
uh,
right?
yes, yes, sir. Earlier, I had a conversation with Abid, Athreya, and Kalpana, where we
Mm-hmm.
discussed about great communication, then sharing experiences, and knowing each other very well. Then clarity should be there. Then we should not bring regional, political, or economic discussion in between, which will which will worse our communication, which will create a communication barrier to in between us. And then I
Mm-hmm.
had a conversation with Veena ma'am where our interests actually matched, and we were talking about PUBG. Then we started talking
Mm-hmm.
about what is all about the rape and the rape culture which is taking place.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how was this ice breaking with strangers for you? Few people were strangers to you in this
Uh,
journey.
a few people was like everyone was stranger, but I and Veena ma'am clicked very soon, very early.
Okay, so did you click because you clicked, or did you click because there were two people only that time?
No, no, it was a instant click because all our interests and what we wanted to talk actually matched, and that's why.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
But I even
Okay.
had a good conversation with Abdid and Athreya.
Sure.
Yes,
Oritra,
Okay.
Auditro,
or
not Aditya.
Orithro, Orithro.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry,
You can just say
Orithro.
person. Name is not important. What's in the name? Somebody
Yeah,
said. Okay.
what's in the
Next,
name?
Kalpana. Kalpana, are you there? Or you are gone? Who else was in the Kalpana's room?
Ma'am, sir, I was there in
No,
the
no,
very
second
first
time.
time.
Second
Sir,
time,
I was
Ronit,
Yeah,
you
there.
were there?
I was there.
Yes.
Yes,
What did
sir,
you
I was
discuss?
there.
Yes, Ronit, please, you can
Sir,
discuss.
we have discussed that how can we have a smooth conversation with person, and if the person is in angry mood, how can you convince them to talk, and how can
Mm-hmm.
we break the barrier if he is
Mm-hmm.
not able, if he is not interested to talk, sir, that we have discussed.
So everything was okay. Did you
Yes, sir.
meet any
Yes, sir.
stranger today? Everybody
Yeah,
is
yes,
stranger or
sir.
some stranger?
No, sir. For me, the stranger was, sir, in my first breakout room, sir. Actually, I don't remember. Yes, sir. In
Mm-hmm.
Subhrajit Bhaiya was for me the stranger, and in second room,
Subhajit.
Kalpa. Yes, sir. And for second,
So do
sorry,
you realize if you take somebody's name wrong, they get very much offended? Is
no,
it
sir.
true or is it
Because
wrong? Not true.
no, sir. Because
Subhajit,
we
what
are
do you
here.
think? If you somebody takes your name wrong, do you feel offended or you're okay that okay, I forgive? Are you there, Subhajit?
Sir, it is not a big issue for me. Like if
Okay,
someone is
okay.
meeting me for the first time, then it is not a big issue. But if we are friends for a long time, and then if they say something wrong, and then I get mad.
Okay,
But
okay,
first
sure,
time,
sure.
it
Okay.
is not an issue at all.
Okay, so you forgive Ronit. I mean, you didn't get angry with Ronit, right?
No, sir,
Sure,
he was in my room only, and he was excellent.
sure, sure.
I
Okay,
think he was in my room.
okay. Correct, correct. Let's hear from Shritama. Shritama, how was your experience?
It was very new, unique, and it was really good. I was in the breakout room with Khushbu ma'am. So
Mm-hmm,
we had a healthy conversation with each other, like communication barriers. Like how
mm-hmm,
can we introduce ourselves? What will enhance our communication skill? So like
mm-hmm,
that, we were communicating, and she was very friendly and frank to me. That she gave
mm-hmm.
me the comfort zone, and I also hopefully could give her the comfort zone to talk to each other. So
Yeah.
yeah, it
So you
was
like this
nice.
concept of small breakout room, breaking people into
Yeah,
like two, three group to
yeah.
sort of
Why
ice break
not?
at
Why
least.
not? Yes, yes. Of course.
Something like this can be done in your classes also. Because I guess
Uh,
in your classes, online classes, you're not getting to talk to each other,
yeah.
isn't it?
In during the class, we are not able to talk, but in our personal group, personal chats, we of course know each other. We had conversations with almost each
Yeah, yeah,
other.
no, I'm just saying if somebody has joined a college this year, this kind of
Uh,
activity can be used as
yeah,
ice
yeah.
breaking for new
Sure,
students.
sure. This would be fun and interactive too.
Yeah, sure. Okay, next, let's hear from Prapti. Prapti, how was your experience and what was discussed in your room?
Sir, yeah, sir, it was very interesting and friendly communication. Sir, in first group, we firstly introduce ourselves, then about the topic, and then, sir, discussing about our future goals. And also in second group, we first introduce ourselves, then the topic, and then future goals.
So half the time is just taken by introduction. The
Yes,
other
sir.
half time you can discuss about the topic. Is that true?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So initial ice breaking is more of an introduction first, and then you can use the topic to continue the discussion, right? Okay, sure. Next, Jyoti, how was your experience and what happened in your breakout
So
room?
it was good. We actually experienced how to break ice with strangers because everyone was
Mm-hmm,
stranger to me. So in the first
mm-hmm,
room, I was with Prapti, Praveen,
mm-hmm,
and Ankur. So there
mm-hmm,
we discussed about like we introduced ourselves and then we discussed about the topic. And then Praveen was
mm-hmm,
like very good person. He actually started a
mm-hmm,
conversation really well and he kept us busy in the conversation throughout the time.
mm-hmm,
And this in the second room, I met Orithro and
mm-hmm,
Priyanka. There also
mm-hmm.
we introduce ourselves and we were getting little friendly by talking about ourselves or like how we can talk to strangers like that.
Okay, sure. Okay, next, Jyoti. Oh, Jyoti done, right? Okay, Jyoti, next year, Praveen, how was your experience?
I sir.
Yes.
Yeah, in first group, like I was with Jyoti and Prapti. A nice conversation between them and me. What we are discussing about our future plans and how to break the ice with a stranger. So the person will like very angry. And also we're discussing about our future, like about our Indian culture. Some parents they want allow to study for higher
Mm-hmm,
education, or else to send to the other areas or other cities or other countries. We are discussing
mm-hmm,
about that. How you going to convince with your parents? Were you not
mm-hmm.
arguing with your? I mean, if the boy in your home, definitely they'll send to for the abroad for the higher education. Why not you? Okay, they have something
Sure.
like yeah, definitely they're like Orthodox family. They're not allowing us to sing, maybe because of our
Mm-hmm.
Indian culture. After that, I
Okay,
think after second breakup, I am with Ravnit and one more person. I think Kalpana,
sure.
yes, Kalpana. We are discussing about that's what I mean. I gave a topic like how to speak with a stranger. The person is very anger mood. He's
I
not, I
think your
mean, not
voice is,
convinced.
fluctuating a bit anyway, but never mind. Yeah.
Okay, that's it, sir. We're discussing about if the person is very anger mood or what.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
Sure. Okay. Next, let's hear one more from Yuraj. Yuraj, how was your experience today with new people, I
So,
guess?
so my today's experience was really different from other days because today I learned that how to because today sir I learned that how
Today you
to
learned how to ice break with strangers.
yes sir.
Uh-huh. Okay. So what did you learn?
And
How to ice break?
so for this I think that there should be a good eye contact with
Uh-huh.
strangers.
Mm-hmm.
First,
Okay.
non-verbal communication is very important for it.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Okay, sure. Okay, so we'll have a different topic tomorrow. Whatever happened today is our usual format. The last 3 days was a bit unusual because there were a lot of new people. So I thought we'll do a bit of like a mass group discussion. Uh, so we'll have this. We'll have that also once a while, maybe once a week, maybe. We'll let you know when we do what. Consider it a surprise. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
Thank
sir.
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.